In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Salesforce CLI on Windows in 2025 using a simple step-by-step method. Salesforce CLI, or Command Line Interface, is a powerful tool for developers to create and manage Salesforce applications directly from their terminal or command prompt. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Salesforce CLI installed and ready to use on your Windows machine, and you'll have a basic understanding of how to begin utilizing it in your Salesforce journey. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. The first thing you need to do is to search for Salesforce CLI. Simply type Salesforce CLI into your favorite search engine. This should bring up a list of results, but we're interested in finding the official Salesforce developer site. To do that, click on the link that typically reads https://developer.salesforce.com/tools/Salesforce CLI. This will take you directly to the Salesforce Developer Tools page dedicated to their CLI. Once you've reached the Salesforce CLI page, you'll notice that there are three options for downloading the tool: macOS, Windows, and Linux. Since we're focusing on a Windows setup today, you'll want to look for the button that says Download for Windows x86. Finding the correct download link is crucial, and using the official Salesforce page ensures that we get the latest stable version of the CLI, offering the best performance and compatibility with your Salesforce projects. Click the download button, and a file will begin downloading onto your device. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee while you wait. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. It's time to open that file. Double-click on the downloaded installer to start the setup process. You might be greeted with a security prompt to confirm the installation. This is normal, and it's safe to proceed as we're installing software directly from Salesforce's own site. Follow the on-screen installation instructions. Usually, the default settings work just fine for most users, unless you have specific reasons to customize the installation directories or options. Salesforce's installer is quite intuitive, so simply clicking Next through the prompts should suffice. At this point, congratulations are due. You've successfully installed Salesforce CLI on your Windows machine. To confirm it's working correctly, open Command Prompt and type sfdx version, then hit Enter. This command should return the version of the Salesforce CLI installed, letting you know it's ready to roll. And that's all there is to it. You're now equipped with a powerful tool that can enhance your development workflow by making it easier to interact with Salesforce environments. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.